The collapse of the structure was the result of two situations which led to an insufficient structural capacity of the remaining concrete bracket supporting the paralume system. That's the conclusion of the experts. And that's the reason why we think we have a legal ground to make a case with this. There was a problem in the conception of the work to be done. So there's nothing to do, it has nothing to do with other works that we would perform elsewhere concerning the removal of paralumes, either in the Louis-Hippolyte Lafontaine tunnel or on Autoroute 13. What we are talking about here are the event of July the 31st. And those work were not performed for the removal of the paralumes on July the 31st. It was work to be performed to remove the concrete that was falling apart from the wall. But it was not structural. It was mostly architectural work that had to be performed. What we saw in the tunnel Louis-Hippolyte Lafontaine was a structural problem concerning the safety to maintain the paralume where they were. That's the reason why we removed them there. But in the Viger Tunnel, we had no problem with the paralume at the moment the work were performed. It was work that was performed for other reasons, other purposes. And then following the collapse of the tunnel, then the paralume had to be removed. What we have to do is to make sure with those firms that proper procedure will be taken to make sure that such a situation will not happen again. Well, of course there are lessons that have to be learned from those events, but the finding of the expert that have been mandated by the MTQ is that the fact that the conception of the work was improperly done.